I know everyone's been on the edge of their seats since the last video, wondering if Armand's final furler fix was going to solve all of our problems, or if Cosmo 2.0 was on the horizon. So we're not going to keep you in suspense any longer. This week's episode is a bit shorter, but here's what's coming up. We're running out of lines, but we're gonna try to hoist the jib. What a Sharpie, I told you so on your forehead.
We are paddling around Isla Carmen.
We're Armand and Liya, and this is our four-legged first mate Pinot. We bought a sailboat with the dream of quitting the rat race and sailing the world. We sold most of our belongings, moved aboard Cosmo, and transformed her into a blue water cruising vessel. A year ago, we left our jobs and took off from our home port of Monterey, and since then we've sailed over 2,000 miles down the Pacific coast and into the Sea of Cortez. From leaky bilges to rolly anchorages and unforgettable sunsets to unexpected fixes, we're learning to live simply, sail slowly, and enjoy the chaos along the way. This is our story. This is SmoCo Sailing. Okay, raise your hand if you're sick of us talking about this jib furling issue.
So we're gonna raise it right now and furl it. It will furl nicely. It has to.
It's really calm winds right now. We've got dolphins here to distract us.
So let's do it.
Okay.
I'm ready. Yeah, that's good. Okay, cool. So close that jammer. Okay, so we raised it. That's the easy part. Now let's furl it. This looks crazy.
Yeah, because you don't want too much tension.
Yeah, there's a sweet spot.
There is a sweet spot. Will it furl? Well, I think the thing with the Facnor furler and maybe other furlers is that there's a very sweet spot with how much jib halyard tension you need to have. And since we're new sailors and we're DIYers, we have no idea what that perfect sweet spot for tension is. So we just keep playing around with it. I feel like it needs to be a little bit more loose. Armand keeps tightening it.
We'll see.
So
we both don't know, so.
I think I'm right.
All right, here we go. It's cut. All right, it's gonna drop.
The halyard snapping again honestly wasn't a shock. At this point, we're practically desensitized. For one, this was the same halyard Armand had been tugging and wrestling with a few days earlier. And if you remember those razor-sharp edges at the top of the furling drum, the ones he later dremeled off, well, the damage to that halyard was already done before all of the work that he did to smooth it out. Lastly, I do think I was right about the halyard tension. It's too much tension. We're running out of lines, but we're gonna try to hoist the jib with one of the lines that we use to hoist our dinghy up and just to like hoist other things up. So this is like one of the last lines that we have left. We're gonna try my theory where it's like if it's not as tensioned, see if it's gonna roll in. If not, then I don't know what we're gonna do because we can't keep shredding lines. So let's see.
It's like as much as acceptable. You don't want it to be like sloppy.
Yeah.
That's good, that's good. Let's see. Okay, everybody breathe. I have one thing to say. That line was compromised, I swear. Hold on, let's do it again, okay? I'm gonna do it all by myself, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna Sharpie that jib halyard, okay?
What a Sharpie, I told you so on your forehead.
Stop. be nice to me. Please, you're kicking me when I'm down. Right,
don't kick a ginger when he's down.
I had a hard life. Okay, we're rolled out. I'm actually gonna have you just hold it just like that, yeah.
Okay, I'm holding. Doing a fantastic job.
Good. I didn't like that other halyard anyways. Actually, in seriousness though, it was coming off of a pulley, which I'm not a fan of. So this is good.
Good job.
Come here. What am I supposed to say? I love you too. I love you. All right, but tomorrow we need to test it sailing. So, or in 2 days. But until then, go make me breakfast. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna hold a mimosa. Liya's thinking. So many letters, so few words. It is so flat here in the evening now. So this is like night and day from what it was, what, 2 days ago? 3 days ago? Mm-hmm. So cool, so quiet too.
With the big projects out of the way, we managed to fit in some island exploration before leaving for San Carlos. Isla Carmen is the largest island in the Loreto National Park, with an abandoned salt mining town that ceased operating in the 1980s. Other than the peninsular bighorn sheep population, all 37,000 acres of this island remain uninhabited, but are often visited by sailors and tourist boats from Loreto, hoping to dive the spectacularly clear waters where visibility can reach 30 meters.
So we are paddling around Isla Carmen, and I see a huge crab. Oh, let me show you. Look at this thing. So it's really cool. So we're really enjoying our time. We're just paddling around because we know we're going to be cooped up for a little bit. So we're just enjoying Isla Carmen. This island is just gorgeous. The water is crystal clear. There are just so many rocks and beautiful places to paddle around, and so much wildlife. Like, we're just going around all of these little coves, and there's these rocks and coral, and there's just fish everywhere. Probably should have brought our snorkel stuff, but we're just going around on our paddles and just looking down and seeing like everything. We've seen starfish, we've seen triggerfish, we've seen needlefish, now I've seen crab. So if I see a dolphin, that's just gonna be the ultimate day.
So we are preparing for our passage to San Carlos, which is about 130 nautical miles from here. And here is Isla Carmen. We're in Balandra, and we're going to be doing an overnight, which we haven't done since we got to Cabo. And that was in December. We were originally going to haul out in La Paz, but then we couldn't. And so we said we're going to haul out in San Carlos. And so we've been slowly making our way north. And now this is our big hop. Past few weeks, we've been making short little hops. And now this is the big one. This is going to take about 26 hours. Probably going to take maybe a little bit more. 26, maybe 30. This is probably the furthest that we'll be away from land that we've ever been. We don't want to be cooking underway just in case things are rough. So today I'm going to be prepping some things. We also haven't been to a grocery store in 17 days. So let's see what I can make today. All right, so nothing fancy when we do meal prep for passages. I've got some blueberry waffles that are going to be an easy handheld, especially really nice if you're having coffee. This tuna pasta salad that I'm going to just separate out into these containers. The pasta salad was just one of those things that is literally just like a leftover deluxe. It was a bunch of canned things that I had left over. I had some leftover canned artichoke, half of an onion in the fridge, 1 bell pepper, lots of canned tuna, always have pasta, capers,
and just some seasonings and stuff. I think some mayo. I mean, it's not like, you know, top chef up in here, but it's just something that helps us get through and eating on the passage. Let me package this up, and I have a lot of stuff to clean up here.
With the Jib Furler Saga behind us and a good weather window ahead, we were ready to set sail across the Sea of Cortez to San Carlos for a quick haul out. Thanks for watching, and join us next time as we make our way to mainland Mexico.